Hello, everyone. I hope everyone can hear me.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. So, very good morning. And I would like to welcome you all for the Tableau awareness session. My name is Patnaik, and I'm going to take you through this awareness session and explain you about the benefits and importance of the Tableau. Okay. So guys, before getting into this, I would like to suggest everyone to, make a note of all your questions. Okay. And the end of the session, we'll definitely have a questionnaire. We'll have a Q&A session. All your doubts will be cleared. Clear, guys, everyone?
Yes. Sure.
Yeah.
Am I audible to everyone, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. So let me share the screen now. And so is my screen visible to you all?
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. Sure then. So today we are going to learn about Tableau session. And I'm going to explain you how this is going to be useful for a business analyst. Okay. So first, so welcome to the Tableau awareness session. Let us understand what is a Tableau. So let me tell you, it is a visual analytics platform transforming the way we use the data into solving a problem. Okay, guys. So before getting into more detailed about this Tableau thing, let us understand what are our core responsibilities. As a business analyst, what we are going to come across, what kind of a responsibilities we are going to come across. Okay. So first thing is like requirement gathering. So requirement gathering, I think you guys are aware of this elicitation techniques, right? Brainstorming, workshops, reverse engineering, and we have interviews, chat session. These are all elicitation techniques where we'll gather the requirements for our projects. And next comes RA. It is a requirement analysis. So in this requirement analysis, we come across this as is and to be process. That is nothing but the gap analysis. So this is a requirement analysis is a process of determining the user expectations for a new and more modified product. Clear, guys? So when it comes to documents, as a business analyst, we use documents like BRD, that is business requirement document, FRD, functions requirement document, SRS, system requirement specifications, change request documents, test case documents, and many more. Okay. So when it comes to communications, we have formal communications, more like business meetings and, formal meetings, one-on-one meeting, team meetings. These are like formal communication. Informal communication is like a simple gathering at any place for lunch or, kind of a snack time. That is called informal communications. When it comes to informal communications is more like into formal and informal. It is something like out of the box. I hope you guys are clear till the core responsibilities of business analyst.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So when it comes to the supporting responsibilities, what are the supporting responsibilities? We use this supporting. My dear, I'm unable to hear you. Hello?
I think you need to unmute someone. Someone might have left the song.
Okay, guys, hold on a minute. All right. So let's continue. When it comes to the supporting tools, we use this MS Office. We use Excel, we use Word, we use this PPT PowerPoint presentation. We also do the assisting, like, we assist a project manager, we assist a product owner, Scrum Master. We also prepare this data flow diagrams, and we also do this creating reports. So as if it is like a BI, that is nothing but business intelligence. Business intelligence BA usually will be working only on the reporting part. They will be only prepare the reports. When it comes to the IT BA, you'll be focusing on the supporting tools, all the MS Office, PPT, assisting, data flow diagrams, all these things you'll be focusing on as a IT BA. I hope up to this slide, you guys are all clear. So I'll be going for the next one. So let us understand what is BI. What is a BI? Like, that is business intelligence. So it is more like, combining the business analytics, data mining, data visualization, data tools, and infrastructure. Okay, it is more like it is helping our organization to make more data driven decisions. Okay, with a more like analytical workflow, where if you can see here, this is access, view, promote, and govern for the IT and BI professionals. Information consumers, they interact, create content creators, they share and analyze and discover. Okay, guys. So what happens is, like in BI, we business analysts only work on the data visualization with the help of the data tools. And when it comes to the data driven decision, it is more like you're using facts, metrics, and data to guide and give us provide with the strategic business decisions that will align with your goal and as well as your objectives. Here, guys. So let us understand what is the benefits of using all these BI tools. Now you understand what is this business intelligence into, why do we use this business intelligence. Now let us understand what is the benefits of BI tools. So we first thing is like, the main benefit is data visualization. It's more like for better, clear understanding of the raw data. You have a raw data, but for more easily, predefined way, data visualization will give you a clear picture about it. When it comes to fast and accurate reporting, BI tools are, really good with this accurate reporting. Okay. When it comes to valuable business insights, it is more like deep understanding and fulfilling the needs of the business values. Okay. So
one thing, just this PPT we have in documentation, right? In the part.
we have it in your documents part. You do
Document
have that.
part.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Not me. Thank you.
Yeah. So let's get back into the competitive analysis. Competitive analysis is like more like a comparative analysis, and researching is like, researching from a different marketing strategies. Okay. So better data quality is like good data quality with high definition, better versions. So the BI tools will also provide you with the data quality and increased customer satisfaction. It is widely used and more oftenly suggested, identifying the marketing trends, which also helps to keep the trend of organization up to date as per the current market standards. Okay. So these are the benefits of BI tools. Now let us understand what are the BI tools we will be using at general. Okay. So as a business analyst, you'll be coming across the MS Power BI, Microsoft Power BI. We have this Tableau. We also have Oracle, Zoho, Dundas BI, SAP BI, Sisense. So MS Power BI is more like into the Power BI tools. Tableau is also BI tool, but as well as it is a data visualization tool also. We have Oracle. We have Zoho, that is used as a CRM tool. Dundas BI, SAP BI, and Sisense, they both also come under all three will come under the BI tool. Okay. So let us now understand what is Tableau. So we are going to focus today on Tableau. So Tableau is more like a BI tool. As I said, it's a BI and data visualization tool. It helps us to get insights from a data, where, to find the hidden trends and, make a better business decision. So how it is going to help us? It is going to help in simplifying the raw data in a very easy and readable format, more like understandable format. So it helps us to create the data that can be understood by professionals any level in an organization. So it also helps our non-technical users to create customized dashboards. Okay. So it also helps, it's more like data analysis very fast when it comes to the Tableau tool, and visualizations which has been created will be like into more presentable by with this dashboards and worksheets. We are going to learn how to create dashboards and worksheets in the next stages. Okay. So this is what is about Tableau. Now let us understand what are the best features of Tableau. So in this Tableau, what happens is like we have this best features like data blending. It's more like combining data from the multiple sources, not just one source. Real-time analysis, yes, Tableau can let you interact with the charts, reports. You can create reports, charts, dashboards, stories, or with the real-time data. Collaboration of data is more like gathering and sharing the data from the various sources. It's just not one particular source. You can just get it from any source, and you can make a analysis. You can create visualized effects to it by using this tool. Tableau tool can be classified into two sections. One is developers tool and another one is sharing tools. When it comes to developer tools, what happens is like Tableau is used for development such as creation of dashboards, charts, report generation. As we all know, visualization all fall into this category. But the thing is, when it comes to the developer tools, mostly what happens is like we'll be working on this Tableau desktop and Tableau public. So Tableau desktop is something like it has all the features, high of cost. Yes, it is a paid one and it is more secured one. Okay. But when it comes to the Tableau public, it is more like an open platform source. Practice purposes only we can use this Tableau public. You cannot use it for your official information or confidential information. It's a free one actually. Okay. So Tableau desktop is more like secure. Tableau public is more like unsecured. Okay. So when it comes to the sharing tools, as per the name it goes, the purpose of this Tableau product is like, sharing the visualizations, reports, dashboard that are been created using this Tableau developer tools. Okay. So the product that we use in this sharing tools is more like Tableau Online, Server, and Reader. So when it comes to Tableau Online, anybody can share. It's more like open platform. Anybody can share, anybody can view your charts and your dashboards, anything which you have prepared in this desktop and public. So when it comes to server, in one server, many users can use it, can view it, and can edit it as well. But when it comes to reader, you can only view the visualization, you can only check the reports, but you cannot edit it. Okay, let me tell you guys, Tableau Online, Server, and Reader is more like organizational providers. You won't find these things in the open platform. Only an organization will provide you with all the credentials and information for Online, Server, and Reader. But when it comes to Tableau Public, it is more like it's an open source platform. You can find it on the Google. Okay. So this is how it looks like. As I said, Tableau Desktop is a very secured one. Only confidential work can be analyzed on the desktop. Public, it's an open platform only for the practice purposes. Online, server, reader, whatever you have prepared in desktop and public, you can share it, view it. Yes, editable only up to server. But when it comes to reader, it is only readable option has been provided. Okay. So Tableau public, let's understand what is this Tableau public. It is a version where you can, build for only the cost effective users. And by word public means here, whatever you have created will be only saved in the Tableau public cloud. Okay, which can be viewed and accessed by anyone. Okay, so there is no privacy. Whatever you are preparing in this Tableau public, the charts, dashboards, you have to go with only the dummy data or sample data. There is no privacy for whatever you have created in the cloud. Anyone can download it. Sitting across the world, any corner, anyone can download and access the same. The version is only best for the individuals who want to share their data with the general public. Clear, guys? So let us understand why we are more focused on Tableau rather than Excel. So what is the difference between Excel and Tableau? So if you just focus on this positive and negative points of the Excel and Tableau, here the Excel, we have the positive points as like, popularity. I mean, yes, MS Excel has been, for a quite long time, it has been with us. We have been using it as well. Yeah, popularity, yeah, low cost, editable formulas, editable data, easy to compatible, easily compatible with any other Microsoft products. When it comes to Tableau, it is a central reporting portal. Interactive command lines are really good. Intuitive interfaces. Intuitive is nothing but working on as per the user needs. Okay, based on the user needs interface. Modern visuals. So these are the positive points. And when it comes to the negative points, Excel is not a reporting portal, not compatible other than Microsoft products. Okay. It's a complex data design, needs a maintenance time to time. Like, you have to change keep on changing with the version. When it comes to Tableau negative points, initial cost is very high. Yeah, need the cost for the server with for self-service reporting. And, sometimes you even not edit the data into the cells. Sometimes the data won't be visible. It takes a time to prepare the data, shift from the sheets to worksheets and, dashboards. Yes, it will take a bit time consuming thing. Okay, guys. So now you have understand what are the positive and negative points. Now let us understand why we are actually using this Tableau. So moreover, what happens is like it is more informative. Informative dashboards is nothing but easily understandable. Okay, when you are preparing any analysis, market analysis, or you're working on the analysis of the data, comparative analysis of the data, this dashboards will be very informative to you. Supports numerous data sources. You can pull out the data from any source and not just one particular. Connectivity with live and in-memory data is really good. We can work on our important time info on this platform. And it provides a great security. Tableau Desktop provides really great security. It is secured one. Easy collaboration and sharing. You can also use it in your mobile as well. Okay, provides a mobile version as well. And advanced visualization capabilities is like high quality data compared to the others. And availability of maps. You can, if you are looking for country wise or region wise, you can also have this maps option. Okay, so this map, this country has these many sales, then it will show you in a different color. So this kind of benefits, you'll find it in the Tableau. So let us go into more detailed understanding by, how to sign up for the Tableau public. I'm going to share the screen again. So how we are going to do that? Just a moment.
In companies, we use public this thing, no dashboard. I mean, Tableau desktop.
In companies, if you have this paid version with you, yes, you can use Tableau desktop. But for the if you are
Unpaid
looking
version, and for the practice purpose, we'll use this
purpose,
public.
practice purpose, public. Let me
Okay.
tell you guys, practice purposes, dummy data, public, you have to use, not the desktop. Desktop, you can use it, but I would suggest is like, it's better if you just go with the public only. Can you guys, is my screen visible to you?
Features wise, what is the difference between the two? It is
Sorry?
same. Features wise, it is same.
Features wise, like comparative to which both you're talking about?
Both. I mean, the public one and the desktop one. The features are same, or it's
No,
little
the
features
desktop
different?
one is more advanced one.
Okay. Okay.
Public, I said it is more like into just practice only. Okay. So
Okay.
guys, is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you just type Tableau public over here, you'll find this option. Click onto it. And this is how it is going to look like. Okay, this is the front page. And here you find this create web authority and download a desktop public edition. So here we have this resources. If you just click onto the resources, so we have sample data here. Okay, so click onto the sample data. Let's go with Netflix. Okay, well, let's go with this new one, Netflix. And if I just click onto this, you find this Excel being downloaded. Okay, so if I just go up, click onto this my profile, and here you'll find my profile. Will find your own created profile. which you will be doing it at the time of sign up, right? That profile. And here you will click onto the create a viz. Okay. So this is how Tableau public looks like. Okay. Here, whatever I have been downloaded, I'm going to drag and drop. So guys, let me tell you, this is purely drag and drop kind of tool. Okay. So now it has been downloaded. And here I'm going to go with titles, drag and drop. Okay. And if you just go down here, 1 second. Just a minute, guys. Hold on.
Your screen is not visible to us now. You have stopped sharing.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, it is visible now.
Okay. So now I have dragged this Netflix titles, right? I've dragged it from here to this place. And here I have to do is like update now. Click on update now. You'll find all the details over here.
This was the Excel sheet, right?
The Excel
Netflix.
sheet from the resources.
Okay.
Okay, the sample data. So now
Ma'am,
I
can
have,
you just repeat from the where you can download?
I have to go back again. Okay, in a very simple words, if you just click on to the Google Tableau Public, when you click on to that, you'll find resources and create. Okay. Just a moment, we'll try again. Hold on. I have to go back again. Just a minute.
Ma'am, you can open a new tab, right?
Okay. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Please concentrate on the session. Okay. Tableau Public Discover, you have to click on here. Here you have create and resources. So when you click on to the resources, you'll find sample data over here. Okay. Sample data, you have a number of data over here. If you just click on any of this option, Excel will be downloaded. Like I have shown it to you. Okay. So for example, let's go with Superstore itself. Here, you see this data has been downloaded. I hope it's visible to everyone now.
Yes.
Good. So now we are going to go and click onto this profile, my profile, and create a viz. So here, drag and drop a file. When you just have to drag and drop the Excel which has been downloaded. Okay. And then here, the orders. So if you want the orders, you have to go and drag and drop. Here you'll find all the information right here itself. So click on update now. Whatever does this Excel contains of, you'll find it in this update now. Okay. And then once you have clicked here update now, you'll find this information here, right? Go to sheet 1. Guys, it will take a little time for importing the data into sheet 1. So guys, here you see all this information, city, country, customer ID. These are all the information which is in the Excel. So if I want anything, okay, guys, let me tell you, this is a worksheet where you are going to create different graphs. Okay. And this is nothing but dashboard. Collection of, collection combination of all the sheets together is called as a dashboard. You have to prepare 3 sheets if you want to create one dashboard. When it comes to story, story is nothing but this. This part is called new story. That this is more like combination of sheets, dashboards. It's more like sequential visualization. Clear up to here? I hope I'm audible to everyone.
No, ma'am, please repeat.
Can you repeat from last to 1 minute because I couldn't get your
Ma'am, can you tell me?
Story is something which is the combination of
Okay,
dashboard
I'm
which
gonna
we prepare.
repeat this again. I hope update now. Till update now, you guys are clear, right?
Yes.
Excellent. So the sheets are nothing but comparison of the tables. Okay, rows and columns. You find this rows and columns, right? So here we are going to drag and drop these things. Okay. Before that, I'm trying to explain you what is mean by sheet. Sheet is more like comparison of the tables. Okay. When it comes to dashboard, which is here, dashboard, it is like combination of sheets. One dashboard should have minimum 3 sheets. Okay. And next is story. Story is nothing but combination of sheets and dashboards, more like into a sequential way. In a story, you'll find sheets and a dashboard together. Okay. A complete sequential visualization. Clear, guys?
Dashboard should have 3 sheets and one story should have how many sheets? Is it something like that?
You can a number of sheets in story.
Or multiple dashboards could be said
Yeah,
as
that you can do it. Yes.
one story, entire story.
I'm going to show you here. I'm going to give you a little understanding with an example.
Show it with an example.
Yeah, I will just because you were asking the questions, right? So it's getting diverted. I would suggest write down all the questions in a paper. We'll have a Q&A session after the session. This is completed. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go with city. Like I've said, drag and drop. If you want to make any filters also, you have to drag it over here. You'll find all the cities. Okay. So guys, okay, I'll show you to again once again here. Drag and drop into the filter. Okay, these are the cities. You don't have to select all, just go with any 3 cities. For example, I would go with Akron, Alexandria, and Allen. Okay, so apply and then okay, pull it to the columns. Okay, show filter, or else you can go in this way as well. For example, I've gone with Akron, Alexandria. So this is more like precise one. You can see what I have selected right in this canvas. Okay, and over. Clear, guys? So this is the filter. And if I want to go with let's go with the product name. Okay, I'll just click onto the product and drag it over here. If I want filter for this as well, click on filter and let's go with okay, this thing I don't be needed. Okay, if I remove the filter, you'll find all this information over here. If I just put onto the filter, you'll find only the filtered ones. Okay, let's go with this only. Apply and okay. Okay, fine, guys. This is the product name I've prepared. And here, if you want it for the more data visualization, click on show me. See, it will give you suggestion which one will be fine. But yes, if you have your own choices, you can simply go for this tab, automatic. Okay. If you want it in area wise or in, circle or something, see, this is the changes what you will find it. Okay. If, for example, I go with this map one, now the whole thing will be changed into the map. Okay. Or else if I go for this, you can just change as per your preferences. the data visualization. This is more like the sheet 1. So I just wanted to not to go with this. I'll go with the pie chart. It will be helpful for me to give you a more better understanding. Okay. So I'll go with the pie 1. Just a minute. I think this is not needed. The longitude and latitude is not needed. Guys, it will take a little time.
It is showing for all the cities now. You have removed the filter.
Yeah, I removed the filter to give you more, you can easily understand. Just a minute. So guys, is it clear now? Guys, am I audible to you all?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So I'm going to name this sheet as city wise. So I'm going to prepare another one. If I need a new sheet, so I can just simply click on this option. Then a new sheet will pop up. Okay. Now I want to go with more like order wise. Sorry, region wise. Okay. Double click on it and it will change the sheet name. So for region wise, I'm going to take a region to the column. Okay. And then I'm going to take subcategory to the row. And if I just drag down, I'll find this quantity. Sorry, profit. I can also go with the profit. So this is how it looks like. Clear, guys? More detailed analysis.
Ma'am, you told right where we can able to choose this report like world map wise or pie chart kind of.
Yeah, we can. So here we have options, right?
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
we
But
have
where is the
options.
map here? Previous.
Here, show me.
Okay. Yeah.
Here you have, see again, they have given more information.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
if I go with pi, see. Clear, guys? All right. So we have prepared sheet number 2. Now there is one more sheet, that is sheet number 3. We'll go with the Let's go with the ship date, I guess. Let's go with the 1 second. State wise. We'll go with the state wise. Now, let's pull the state to the columns, and let's go for quantity and sales. Clear, guys? Now you understand how to do this.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
So if we just want to filter, let's go for any three: Arizona, California, and District of Columbia. So apply and okay. So this is how the quantity. Here you can find quantity 7,667, sales 4 lakhs plus. Here for the California also you'll find this variations. Okay. And for more precise way, these are the options you have. So let's go with this bar diagram. So clear, guys, this is the sheet number 3. Now we have prepared 3 sheets, right? So we can prepare one dashboard on it. For example, I'm going to give a dashboard for both city and region wise. City and region. Yes. And here you'll see this add sheets here. Okay. So you can just simply drag and drop. Just a moment, I'll show you. So here you have city wise, drag and drop. We have region wise, drag and drop. So what we have prepared, you'll find it over here. Okay. Both. We have both sheets. One is city wise and region wise. Here you find region wise and city wise. Okay. This is dashboard number 1. Let's go for another dashboard. It's more like combination of 2 sheets. If I want to combine as per the marketing strategies, so I can do this over here. So we have done with region wise, right? Let's go with region wise and state wise. Region, okay. If you just want to go with region, state wise and city wise is also fine. Let's go with city wise and state wise. So add sheets, let's go with city wise and let's go with state wise. Okay. You can just minimize it. And here it is, both state and city wise. You'll have all the information at one place. You can add n number of sheets when it comes to the dashboards. Okay. So I only took 3 sheets over here as for the example, but literally you can add any n number of sheets when it comes to the dashboards. Okay. So now you understand about worksheet. Now you understand about the dashboard. Let us also go with the story. And here in the story, what happens is like it's a combination of sheets and dashboards, more like into sequential visualization, as I've informed. So here if I want to create a sheet, I can go for add a caption of like, analysis. For example, city and region with state. Okay. So I can go for city and region, drag and drop. This is my dashboard. Now, one sheet I can go for state-wise. City and state-wise region I have given. We have again city-wise, region-wise, and also state-wise as well. Okay, guys. Just a moment. So guys, as I've prepared it already, so not city wise, one second, state wise. So this is one story. Now, I'll just give it as analysis name. And if I want to create another story, for example, comparative comparison as per the sales. Okay. So I'll just go with the city and state dashboard. Just a minute. It's more like comparison. So this is like city-wise and state-wise. And here I would like to give it region-wise. Let's go with the region-wise as well. You want to replace, you can replace it. But I would suggest you have to make a necessary changes, like, minimizing and maximizing the whole thing. So it will be more easy for you. Okay. So guys, till here, are you all clear about this?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So dashboard is consisting of a combination of sheets, right? It's like limited of 2 sheets or multiple sheets, ma'am.
Multiple.
A
This
number
is
of
only an example which I have given to you.
okay. And I mean, story is consisting of multiple of user story, sheets as well as dashboards, right?
Both. Yes. It's
Okay.
nothing but side by side. You are comparing all the, whatever the analysis you have did, rather than going from sheet to sheet.
Okay.
Everything is at one place, right? It will be easy for you to present it.
Okay.
Guys, any more queries? Let's start this
Yes, ma'am.
Q&A session.
Yes, ma'am.
Mostly we
If,
present dashboard or the thing. Sorry. In the
Sorry?
company, in the real time, mostly we share the dashboard or we share the story. I mean,
It
depends.
depends. Yeah. See, as per the, information, what you want to present it to your, in your presentation. So it can be either dashboards or sheets or stories.
Depends.
Actually, what happens is like there is a sequence. First, it goes with the sheet, then it goes with a dashboard,
Dashboard.
and
Yes,
then it
yes.
goes with the story. It's more like you are giving a complete information
More
right at the
information,
end.
detailed information to tell.
Yes, yes. So guys, let me tell you, this is more like an awareness session. Yeah, it sounds like I'm reading the whole PPT. But the thing is, this is more like awareness where you have to practice, understand on this public. If you come across any kind of doubts or queries, you can attend this doubt
First, you need
clarification session.
to be clear on the data, what exactly the data you are
Yes,
preparing, and then only you can
exactly.
extend it to the others.
Yes, yes.
You should be clear what you are preparing, what
Because a
sheet you
few
are
people
preparing,
does
what
know, yeah, there are
dashboards
people
you are
who are
preparing.
not from the IT background.
Yes.
There are
ma'am.
few people, yes, yes, I understand. I do understand. What happens is like,
Difficult because I do not know how would I use it as a BA. I mean, I just want an example. Like you explained everything, but
Smita, right?
yeah, Smita.
Smita, a simple thing.
From
When you
Bangalore.
are working on this particular project and they ask you what is the market trends on that particular feature, how will you explain? I mean, you should show something in, because you might be a non-IT background. The opposite person is also from a non-IT background. If we don't understand, then so this is something like you're presenting him in more understandable format. Readability. I mean, in the pie charts, you can easily understand, right? Who is which
Yeah.
area is getting more sales, which area is getting less sales, so that you can focus on that particular thing, right?
Correct, yeah.
So this is how it is.
Ma'am, you told right that we need to analyze the market trend, but who will give the data?
You will find the data from the company itself.
I mean,
See.
within our organization.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
When you are working on Tableau desktop, they'll give you the credentials with all the information. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And here I'm working on the universal data. It's not actual one. It is a dummy data, just for the practice purposes only. First, you have to practice it and then you can go for it. Okay.
Ma'am, can you kindly guide like how we can use all the logistics data, logistics like if and if else, if you want
Logistics.
like if you functionality, if you want to use like if profit more than 500 in the
My dear,
graph.
logistics is not explained here. It is explained in the SQL. That is another session again.
Okay.
Clear, Jyotsna? Because SQL is something different completely on the logistics, which you will understand there itself. You know,
No, I was asking in charts only when we are preparing
no. The
charts.
thing
Like
is, once you have to understand what is this logistics, now you understand how to prepare charts, right? Tomorrow you are going to, when you complete this SQL awareness session, you can prepare it one by yourself. I can only give you an understanding like how to prepare the chart. The logistics and everything which you have a question, you have to understand what is SQL, how to use it, and how to place it over there. Okay.
no, ma'am, not in SQL. In this only when we are like
Yes, ma.
preparing
First, you
like
have to understand now how to use that logistics.
Okay, ma'am.
The thing is, here in the Tableau, you are working only on the raw data. Okay. The logistics which you are talking about, it might be a real-time data. Suggest you not to please put on that real-time data in the public. Okay. Anybody can view it. Clear, guys?
Okay.
Yes.
Any more queries?
Ma'am,
I
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
I
please.
have one query.
Mm-hmm.
Can we say that Tableau is going to be used to present a statistical data?
Statistical data, yes, we can.
So
See,
basically,
whatever
this
the
is
data
only.
you're taking, I have took
Mhm,
only sales data, the dummy one. The data
mhm.
which you have, you can actually create wonders with this Tableau. Only the thing is you should know on what data you're working on.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Means it's totally depend upon the data, what type of data is all about.
Sorry?
Means it is totally dependent on the data which we are going to work on.
Yes,
Okay,
you need to
which tool
understand
should
on
be
what
used
data
in.
you're working on. Then you
Mm,
can create really good things on Tableau.
Okay.
Now, apart from Excel,
Yeah,
other
Viren.
apart from Excel, if there is a PDF data or some data in different formats, so it is
We
workable.
can.
Workable
That
as
is what
similar as.
multiple sources, in a sense, it can be PDF or any other thing. Multiple sources, as like I've said.
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank
Kiran.
Yeah, ma'am. During COVID time, we see a number of COVID reports like region, state-based, multiple COVID
Hmm.
census. So I hope that it will be used to be a Tableau mostly, right?
Yeah. Tableau and Power BI, both are for the data visualization tools only.
Okay. Ma'am.
Tableau is easy to understand. I mean, anybody on the TV can just see the pie chart and say, oh my God, these many people are being affected. That means how? It is like you are understanding it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is how it is done.
So
Hi, ma'am.
basically, we analyze and visualizing both.
Yeah, more like. Yeah,
Okay.
Vinay.
If we want to edit the data,
Hmm.
so we can edit on dashboard itself, or we have to go to sheets.
We have to go to the sheets because dashboard is like combination of two sheets, 2 or 3 sheets.
Thank you.
Because if you make a changes in sheet now, it will be visible on the dashboard itself. And if you
Automatic.
make the changes in dashboard, it will be visible on story. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, if we need to explain this thing in an interview, so like how we will explain
They
Tableau?
won't ask you how to prepare dashboards and everything in interview, dear. They'll just ask how much you know about the Tableau,
Like definitions only, no?
not definitions.
Then
It is an interview. It's not more like a viva.
Why it is used and everything, all those
No,
things
they'll
only.
just ask what kind of, on what purposes have you used this Tableau? So you can say you have used the Tableau only for the dummy data. You have a practice on this. If you have really used it, you can say that these are the datas we have made a visualization, and this is what I have presented in a particular project. That is enough for them to understand. If you say it
so
is
like
like
for
more like practicing purposes, then it is also fine. At least you should know what is mean by Tableau, right?
But ma'am, those who are not from the BA background, like then how we will present this thing?
If you are from BA or not BA, the only one thing is like they'll ask you one question. If in case I'm a recruiter, just take me as your recruiter. My only thing is I just wanted to know what is do you know what is Tableau is? Do you even know what is Tableau is? If you say that yes, I know what is Tableau, I have worked on sheets, I know how to prepare dashboards, I did prepare certain dashboards and all this, means I'm fine with it. Tomorrow when you get into the job, if you prepare that, then that is fine now. Because no company wants to invest the time of giving you information like spoon feeding, that you have to prepare this way, you have to prepare that way. At least
So
you should know
basic
how to do that.
understanding they will.
That is enough.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually,
Yeah,
ma'am,
Kiran.
I have 1 year of experience in business analyst currently working. So I don't have the opportunity to work on, Tableau. So in
Sorry, 1 year experience into
business analyst,
business analyst. Okay.
yes. So I currently working. So
Hmm.
I don't have the opportunity to work in Tableau.
Hmm.
So if I go to the next company, like they will look into like, did you work on something in Tableau or something?
Why?
But how
The
we can?
simple thing, whatever you put it in your resume is what they are going to ask you.
Sure.
Okay, if you say that you have understanding of Tableau, then yes, they'll just say that, okay, you know how to prepare it. Then you say, yes, I know how to prepare it. They'll say, okay, just show me one. If you could able to show it over there, that is enough, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because everybody does know about that desktop Tableau is very confidential, very secured. Public is more like a practice purposes. If you say that, yes, I have an idea of how to use it, I've practiced it, that is enough.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
So ma'am, same goes
Yeah,
with
Amit.
the Power BI and the SQL as well.
Sorry?
Same goes with the Power BI and SQL as well.
Yes,
I mean,
yes,
just a
exactly.
working knowledge, or do we need a deep understanding of each of the products?
Few companies might ask you deep understanding. Few companies will ask you at least you should know what is the basic, what is meant by SQL, what is meant by Power BI, right?
Okay. Okay.
Depends on the companies and interviews you are attending. I would suggest be prepared for any answer. It's more like, yes, I might know a little, I'm ready to learn more. Don't you think that is
Okay.
enough for them to give you a heads up? Like, yes, we can go for this.
Right, right.
Any more queries?
Yeah.
Any more questions, guys? If you are done, you can leave the session for now. And I wish you all the happy weekend. May this be very helpful to you. So if any questions, please unmute yourself and ask away the question. Satyendra.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Satyendra, the difference you're asking about. Yeah, Vikas, yeah, go ahead.
So to prepare the dashboard, so minimum 2 sheets will be required, right?
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Hello, yeah, ma'am, Satyendra this side.
Yeah, Satyendra, what was your question
Yes,
again?
ma'am. I was asking about the difference between BIBA or functional BA. What is the major difference?
BIBA is more like business intelligence, dear. It's more into data visualization only. Core responsibilities like gathering requirements analysis, more into that. Functional, I think there is not many changes. There might be changes as per the company perspective. I mean, they might have added a few more strategies as well. But moreover, they're like both are same so far.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how are we gonna learn all different visualization techniques? Uh, I mean, since this is just like an overview session, and
Sorry, your voice is very low, my dear. Can you just?
okay. Am I audible now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Amit.
So, ma'am, I was saying that how can we get more hands-on on different visualization techniques in Tableau? I mean, I see this session was just an overview, right, about how Tableau works and everything.
This is an awareness
So,
session. The
yes,
thing is,
yes.
you need to have more like, practice, I would say. If you have hands-on experience, it's fine. If you have practice, is also good. At least you would get to, start your work either getting onto the project or something. But you should know now how it is going to, how we can create this session. Worksheets and everything.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Okay, so you think these all things are sufficient for a BA? Maybe creating worksheet, then creating a dashboard with
Uh,
few visualization.
Tableau will only give you up to this. But
Okay.
yes, for BA, if they ask you to be good in, good understanding in SQL and Power BI and everything, I would suggest you attend all the awareness sessions. Gather as much as information you get it, make a note of it, be aware of all these tools. Then maybe it is going to be very helpful for you now in your upcoming days.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, if you have any other questions, please unmute yourself or else you can leave the session. Ananya, we have this resources, right? Raw data, you can get that from there. Are you there in the session?
Yes, ma'am. Is it sufficient or we can find out some more projects to
Your
practice?
wish. If you have a data which is not confidential, you can go with it.
Okay.
I'm repeatedly informing you all, guys, please make sure no confidential data in the Tableau public. It is an open source platform. Anybody can see it. Okay. Tomorrow you will be on trouble. Desktop is the more secured one. But when it comes to information in public, go with the only raw data which has been given in the resources, the sample data. Okay. Please be clear about this thing. Any more queries, guys?
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best, Tejish.
Thank you.
All the best, Aishu.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best.
Ma'am, can I have your number?
My number?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, dear. I can't share that. It's not in our policy.
Getting a little confused. I'm getting a little confused because I am from banking. and
Okay.
I completed with my this online training on the 7th of May.
Okay.
The training with
Do one
Mahesh.
thing, Smita. If you come across any queries, na, put it in a service request. Okay.
Yeah. So I am
So there I can get to you. Okay, Smita.
Yes.
Yeah, go with the service request. I'll definitely connect you over there. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Hello.
Yeah, Mohini.
Yeah, Mohini. Yeah, so session is started now for the Tableau or what?
Yeah, for the
Yeah, for
Tableau.
the Tableau.
I can hear.
Okay, so it started or actually I joined suddenly, so that's why I'm asking. I didn't
It's
get
been
any.
completed.
It's been completed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Acha, acha. Okay. So can I like receive the recording session for this one?
Yeah, you will
Yeah,
find
you will
this
find
recording
this.
session in the YouTube.
Okay, in YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Fine.
Actually, the session started by 11:10, dear.
Okay, okay.
So
I thought 11
it's a Q&A session going on. Like I'm here to answer all the questions regarding to the session actually.
Okay, 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 fine. And can you give me that email ID for
Or
receive the all recording sessions in previous part?
actually the awareness sessions, you can find all that information in the COPD YouTube channel. Okay, all will be recorded. This whole session has been recorded. It will be shared to you in the session. Sorry, in the channel. There you can find it. And when it comes to the workshop YouTube access, you have to raise a service request.
Service request. Okay, okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah, thank you.
All the best. So guys, any more questions? Are we done here? Can I end up this session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then all the best, Smita. I'm going to end up the session. Anyone else? Ankita, Anup, Aishi, Neha, and this Xiaomi as well. Any questions? Please unmute yourself. Ask away. Clear it out.